good, y'all? I'm back with another video today. Finna go sneak back here behind this fucking area back here. He finna go, Deshaun's finna do some donuts real quick before we head out. Probably finna just go drive around, just to get y'all some nice little clips and stuff and just kind of chill out. And just like that, he's still practicing and shit, so y'all can't be talking shit about it, alright? He's still learning. But hopefully all y'all having a good day today. We did get some rain, so I thought it'd be kind of a cool idea to get some footage. Get some driving in this nice looking scenery. Hopefully it turns out good on the video. That boy finna be on demon time today in that cat. Yep, I got 283 miles, so you know what I'm saying, had to get gas again before filming today. Again. I swear to God, I live at the gas station. That shit never fucking fails. But gas was a little cheaper this time though. Was $3.95 instead of $4.05. So well, definitely did not think I was gonna go sideways there a little bit, but goddamn. Alright. Say, bro, his car sounds so good now after we went and got it straight piped. Because I guess the person before him, they had those little ugly glass pipes on the resonators and mufflers. So finally got, you know what I'm saying, got him some actual fucking, got it straight piped. So that shit sounds way better. It pops loud as hell too. I'm gonna try to get my car tuned soon, hopefully. Maybe I'll be able to pop and crackle on command like that too. Because don't get me wrong, like my car I mean, it pops a little bit too, but nothing like the cat, and I have to like forcefully make that shit pop. His shit in his car, he just be doing that shit. That shit just do it effortlessly. Let's see, he's finna slide though. Yeah, he's sliding that bit. Yeah. Shit, I feel like I can't even catch traction. Like fuck. Shit. Oh yeah, my favorite, under the bridge. Yes sir. One thing I do not like about my car is, bro, like, the shifts are so short, bro. Like, I swear. That shit barely let you come anywhere near red line, bro. I swear to God. So I need to hurry and get this shit tuned, bro. As soon as I get it tuned, man.
KA band 34
Shit,
7
you got a cop somewhere. Gotta get a signal for this motherfucker to let him know there's a cop near. Yeah. So I don't even know what the fucking speed limit out here is. Some real shit. 55. And we got a school zone. Hopefully this motherfucker sees it. Thank you, Jeep.
This bitch is hard to spin.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. Were the donuts trash in the beginning? They were bad.
No, they weren't bad. Some windows roll down a little bit. Hopefully it's not too loud. Actually, no, I'm not even gonna do that. Yeah, hopefully try a lot of content for y'all. How you're making POVs pretty much every day, so hopefully you post at least once every other day, realistically. Yeah, so we definitely gonna be definitely gonna be posting a lot of content for y'all. Damn, this shit be popping. So sometimes I be feeling scared to just mash my foot on the gas. I don't know, cause I don't be doing it too much. I can catch myself doing, I don't know, maybe like 75%, but I barely ever fully slam on the gas. I don't know why, but it's also cause like with this car, like the pedals on the floor, so it's kind of like where I lay and rest my foot, it's like right in the middle, so like I'm not like fully like ever really like pushing down some of the times. But yeah, I definitely gotta fix that, because sometimes this shit don't be going. I just be like, bro, why is it going so slow? But it's literally because I'm not even really putting my foot on the gas. Making that. Fuck all that. To be honest, I don't even think Deshaun knows where he's going. To be honest. But then again, nah, he definitely knows where he's going. Hella fucking, man. Oh, shit, I'm about to get the fuck over. And then slow the fuck down again. Shit.
Damn, how long is this school zone? Damn, this is probably the longest school zone I've fucking seen, bro. Oh, hell no. That shit is crazy, bro. It's wrapping all the way around, bro. There's no way. There's no fucking way. We're still in a school zone, bro. Hell no.
Bro, that's the longest school zone I've ever seen in my life.
That was wild.